practical guidance for partners of compulsive gamblers, supporting without enabling, navigating the fine line between help and enablement in gambling addiction. Living with a partner who is a compulsive gambler is a profoundly challenging experience that requires a delicate balance of support, boundaries, and personal resilience. This article provides practical advice for those facing this situation, helping them to support their loved one while avoiding the pitfalls of enabling their destructive behavior. Additionally, we will clarify how this support differs significantly from dealing with minor acts of rebellion or serious crimes. Understanding compulsive gambling, defining compulsive gambling, nature of the addiction. Compulsive gambling or gambling disorder involves repeated problem gambling behaviors that disrupt personal, family, or vocational pursuits. This disorder leads individuals to gamble despite harmful negative consequences or a desire to stop. Impact on relationships. The unpredictable and often hidden nature of this addiction strains trust and communication with individuals. Financial strain, emotional distress, and the gambler's preoccupation with betting can severely disrupt relational harmony. Strategies for supporting a partner with a gambling addiction. Establishing effective communication. Open and honest conversations. Initiate dialogue about the gambling problem without judgment or confrontation. Express your concerns calmly and clearly, and encourage your partner to talk about their triggers and challenges. Professional mediation. Consider seeking support from a therapist or counselor who specializes in addiction. They can facilitate more productive conversations and provide guidance tailored to navigating addiction within a relationship. Setting healthy boundaries. Financial boundaries. Protect your financial well-being by separating your finances. This may involve setting up separate bank accounts and limiting access to joint credit or savings. It's crucial to ensure that your partner's gambling behavior does not threaten your financial security. Emotional boundaries. It is essential to maintain your emotional health by setting limits on the amount of stress and disruption you will tolerate. Knowing when to say no or take a step back can prevent emotional exhaustion and resentment. Encouraging professional help, treatment, and recovery programs. Support your partner in finding appropriate treatment options such as inpatient or outpatient programs and meetings like Gamblers Anonymous. Recovery is often more successful with professional guidance and a structured program. Ongoing support. Recovery from gambling addiction can be a long and non-linear process. Encourage consistency in therapy attendance and participation in support groups, celebrating small victories along the way. Navigating the challenges without enabling understanding. Enabling versus supporting. Avoiding enabling. Behavior might relieve the immediate stress or consequences of gambling, but does nothing to solve the underlying problem. Examples include covering debts, lying to shield a partner from consequences, or minimizing the seriousness of the problem. Constructive support. True support empowers the gambler to face the consequences of their actions and to take responsibility for their recovery. This includes facilitating access to therapy, offering emotional support during recovery, and holding the gambler accountable for their actions. Differentiating support in contexts of minor rebellions versus serious crimes. Support in minor acts of rebellion. Characteristics and management. Support for minor acts of rebellion, like occasional excessive spending on hobbies, involves addressing behaviors before they escalate. This can often be managed through direct communication and mutual agreements on spending limits. Support in serious gambling issues. Characteristics and management. Supporting a partner involved in compulsive gambling, which can lead to significant financial and legal issues, requires more robust intervention. This includes complete financial transparency, potentially legal involvement, and professional debt management. Practical tips for day-to-day management. Daily strategies for coping and recovery. Routine checks. Establish a routine that includes daily or weekly check-ins to discuss emotions, triggers, and strategies for managing urges to gamble. Relapse prevention. Be prepared for setbacks. Discuss what relapse might look like and have a plan for how to respond effectively, ensuring it doesn't spiral out of control. Self-care. Supporting a partner through addiction recovery is draining. Make sure to take care of your own mental and physical health. Engage in activities that you enjoy and find supportive networks for yourself. Conclusion. Supporting a partner with a gambling addiction involves a nuanced approach that carefully avoids enabling destructive behavior. By establishing clear communication, setting firm boundaries, and encouraging professional intervention, partners can navigate the precarious path of addiction together. Understanding the differences in support required for different levels of gambling behavior, from minor rebellions to compulsive gambling, can help in applying the right strategies to foster recovery and protect the relationship's health and emotional well-being.